Hi, I'm Eddie Cousins, the director of Lydford Mining Company located in the hills of St. Anne, where we produce a variety of limestones for different applications. Lydford Mining Company started approximately 16 years ago. We have here what is regarded as the purest known limestone deposit in the world.
And we started, believe me, in a wheelbarrow and shovel operation. The company is a family business comprised of myself, my son, my partner, and his daughter.
We produce for the domestic market construction grade aggregates, a high purity whiting used in paper coatings, pharmaceuticals, animal feeds, fertilizers, PVC plastics. We also produce a special type of limestone that's used in what we call FGD applications, used in coal burning power plants in the United States. We have equipment operators that run the front-end loaders and the bulldozers. We have crushing plant operators, administrative staff, a laboratory and in-house geologists, mechanics, electricians, welders.
The best natural resource is the people. We tend to hire a lot of young people, and it's exciting for us to train them and bring them into a career of their own.
I used to operate the milling system. I was promoted onto maintenance coordinator. Sometimes I run on a 24-hour basis. There's no one in the storeroom at night, so when the boss call or anyone call, I can tell them, say, go to the left of shelf 3, you find that particle filter or belt or any other thing else.
We are pretty much self-sufficient in all our process operations. The first shipment that we ever made, export shipment that we made, was 1,500 tons. We now do shipments in excess of 40,000 tons, and we currently produce in excess of 500,000 tons of material per annum. We started with 4 employees, we're now in excess of 50, and we're poised now to grow the business from where we are at 500,000 to 2 million tons a year.
All banks in Jamaica were suspicious of local people entering into the mining business. They were reticent to lend large sums of money, which is required for the capital equipment. The manager of the Bank of Nova Scotia in New Kingston had confidence in us because we'd been banking with him for 20 years, and he lent us the princely sum of $20,000. And the first machine we bought was for $200,000.
We were told pretty much by everybody that we would fail, but we stuck it out because we knew that we had something that's unique here.
The contracts that we are now signing are 10-year contracts. We have one long-term contract with J.M. Huber to supply whiting, and we have another long-term contract with TBS Shipping out of New York to supply desulfurization limestone. This is the Cedar Valley site, which is a mile from the Relief Bush site, and this is where we mine the high purity material.
Once we produce it, we stockpile it and use contracted trucks and move it down to the port.
Right now, we're at the Port of Ocho-Rios, and we have a series of conveyor belts set up that will transport the whiting grade product onto the ship.
And we will be loading approximately 23,000 tons of limestone. And once the ship is all loaded, it'll be headed straight to New Orleans for discharge. Basically, my role is to work with Lydford Mining on developing efficiencies at the mine as well, and trying to create a larger export of limestone to various areas from Jamaica.
Hi Jackie, how are you doing?
I'm just good
to see you again.
The relationship with the bank is critical because given the nature of the business being such a capital intensive type of operation, every time we have to acquire a machine, you're talking something in excess of 300,000 US, and it requires financial support.
We believe that staying in office, reviewing the business plans, the financial statements are not enough.
In coming to the field, we understand the business more, we understand the needs of the customer, and that way we are able to ensure that whatever solution we provide will help the customer become financially better off.
Lydford Mining is very important to the Jamaican economy. It's mainly based on exporting. We encourage people to come and invest in Jamaica, and it gives us as a company international exposure.
A word of encouragement to anybody out there who has a dream to do something in the nature of what we've been able to do is you must always believe in yourself, and you must have a plan. Talk to your bank in a way that your banker can appreciate what you're trying to do and give you support.
The Teller was brought to you by Scotiabank Group.